Hey guys, I'm just out driving around, and actually I went and got me a Starbucks coffee. But I did run across this interesting little thing. I may get out and throw just like a minute or so of recording on it real quick and show you guys. So yeah, let's just stop talking and let's just see what we can get into. Yeah, guys, I'm just kind of at this roadside find here. You can see it says keep out posted. Obviously it was maybe used for a business, maybe she had a business or something. I don't know. Yeah, guys, I'm just making a couple little pit stops along the way. As you can see right here is the playground. And by the way, I am recording this just holding my phone in the hand. No gimbal, no tripod or nothing like that. So, as you can see, the playground is still closed due to COVID-19. And this right here is a location that I would love to be able to get into. Me and Carmen's going to try to pull some strings to get in here. This used to be the gym for the high school here in this town, and the high school is over there, which is now apartments for the older community. So let's walk up here and see what the sign says. Well, guys, I don't have to put it on the screen because it says right there when it was built. Dallas High School Gymnasium, built in 1939. I am actually right across the street from the police department here. So, right there is a shot of the gym behind me. I'm gonna walk up here. I'm gonna show you the what used to be the high school. It's kind of a really interesting looking tree. I don't know. Sometimes I guess maybe that's weird. I like trees or something. I don't know. But anyways, guys, this used to be the high school. Back in the day, I do see maybe a plaque up on the building there. I'm gonna walk up there and see if it has any kind of dates on it or whatever, and see what this is over here. Oh, cool. That's just a little setting area. But anyways, let's go up here and see if there's any plaques or dates on this. Once again, this was the high school for the gym over there. So let's walk up here and see what we can find. As you can see, this is on the National Registry of Historical Places also. Block that wind out from coming in. This used to be going into the cafeteria. I do know that. I'm not going to record much of the personal stuff, but really peaceful day today. The rain has finally cleared out. We got like 4 days of rain, and it looks like it's going to rain anytime now. So hopefully the rain holds off and I can get a couple videos recorded for you guys. And right now, I'm just going to take a walk back through in a minute. This school is also reportedly haunted. I don't know if that's true or not. Supposedly you can hear like steps going down, like footsteps going down the steps and chains and stuff like that. I don't know how much that's true, but that's what the rumor is. It is haunted. Regardless, it is part of history and it is on the historical places. I'm going to see if we can take a look down in here. I'm not going to invade anybody's privacy. You see how pretty they got it now? It is very, very pretty. You wouldn't think it used to be a school, but it did. Let's go up here and see if we can get a shot. Like I said, it's residence now, so I'm being very careful how I record this out of respect to everybody living here. Look at how beautiful it is on the inside. It is absolutely gorgeous on the inside, guys. I'm walking up on the tower now. Obviously, you can't get inside of the fence area, but you're gonna get a good shot at it right here in a minute. Here is a good shot of the tower. Kind of looking at it up and under. Kind of looking at it up and under the belly of the tower. I don't think there's water inside of it now. I think it might have been drained out or something. I'm not sure. If you know where this is at and you know that, leave it in the comments below, guys. Pretty cool looking shot there of the tower. Take a step back. I'm thinking it's 300 feet high. That's what I think. Not sure. I imagine this church was probably built around the same time period, probably in the 40s. There's a church beside of it here. Check out this old bell. Oh, that was built in Tennessee. You get a good shot of the steeple right there, up high. It is up, and it is operational, so. I don't see no dates on this. no timestamp dates or nothing. So, but it is a historical monument here in the town also. (1922 to 1944). Over here is another date. 1883 to 1946. But guys, I didn't really see a date on this church per se, but I did see some dates of maybe some important people of the church. Maybe those pastors, deacons, who knows. But nevertheless, there was a date all the way back from 1883 on the stained glass windows. So I thought that was pretty cool. I'm going to give you another interesting artifact of the gym in just a minute. Probably do it on the conclusion of the video. But first, let's go down to the little track and check it out real quick. Whoa, I am here at the trail now. I'm not going to stay long because I think we are actually in a tornado warning with heavy rains and stuff heading this way. So I'm going to wrap this video up real quick. As you see behind me there, as I was telling you, that is reportedly haunted, by the way. You can hear like faint footsteps and stuff like that inside there. Don't know if it's true or not, but anyways guys, I am going to conclude this video and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Oh yeah, one more interesting thing about the gym there. Hold on a minute, let me get this car.